Good afternoon, guys. It's already 12:20. Yesterday this dog, the stuff that I received coming from Mr. Wally, and yesterday I met the big group. Yeah, nice. That's the biggest group that I've met. So basically they are a church group, and they had an outing. They stay in one I think Airbnb in one of the place in Nelson Bay area near the little beach. Yeah, it's very good to experience to meet them because all of them are like very active in the conversation. They are like, all of them are curious. Nice, good experience. Yeah, very good. You feel it, and when you feel good about it. Yeah, nice. Also, the environment is really good during the time when I meet them because, there are people everywhere. They are sitting down on the grass. So it's like a festival that I am seeing in the news. Was really good. And the sunset, it was good. Yeah. And I'm waiting for Kuya Ruel and Ate Au. They are going to pick me up. Yeah, because they are test driving their new car, and they want me to be with them during the test drive. I think we are going to Tea Garden. The other islands. Yeah, we are going there. I am not really sure, but that's what we talked about previously when Kuya Ruel called me last time. Yeah, we are driving.
Okay lang kami dito.
And we are here. Yeah. So, to get to that other islands, you need to go to Newcastle area. Yeah, to get to that other islands. And it's really far. So at the moment, we are here in Soldiers Point area. This is a little far from Nelson Bay. Yeah, but that is why we don't go here much. And we're going to see this pelican. Yeah, they are cleaning the fish. And those pelican, they are waiting for the trimmings. Nice. Oh, look at that. He's able to catch a fish. Amazing. May ganyan pala mga bakit. Anti-rush lang. Yo, I am editing a video. It is already 5:24. Outside is still good. It's still good to swim if you go to the beach. There is still the sun. And outside is not really hot. Yeah. Oh, yesterday I was cooking the soup. This one. Yeah, this is actually a soup. Oh, it's still hard. I will boil it again, add some more water. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. And today I signed out at exactly 2:05. Yeah. And there will be just 3 people tonight for the dinner service. I don't know. Oh, nice. They put the suns on the side. I hope that they are going to deliver today the media mod, because I have been waiting for that media mod for more than a week now. Yeah, actually it is coming from Singapore. Already arrived. I saw in the tracking already arrived in Sydney, and then it is stuck in Newcastle. I don't know. Yeah, I already called 3 times in their call center. They said it's on the way, and every day I'm hoping that it is coming, but nothing. We are again going to the way. Where is the bird that is always attacking me? I will keep on passing through there because I want the bird to realize that what he's doing doesn't really affect me. You know what I mean? If that bird has something like that, they can think. If the bird thought of that, yeah, I hope he's not going to attack me because it's hurting himself. The afternoon. Good. Didn't attack me today. Yo. Yeah, I got the package. Really nice. This is the GoPro Media Mod. It's already for, look at that, for what's that? 22. Yeah. Actually, when I arrived this afternoon around 2:30, I called the contact center of the Star Trek. Yeah, because it's been with them for a week now. Yeah, and every day I am tracking it, and it says it's on the way, it's arriving today. So I was calling them for like 2 days last week. I was calling them, and then when I arrived, because yesterday was Sunday, so there's no office, no delivery. And today I called them this afternoon around 2:30. Yeah, I said, because you know it's making me really sad that it's not arriving. I said like that. Yeah, and then at around 4 o'clock I called again, and the lady said it's will be arriving at 5 o'clock. This is coming from Singapore. Yeah, that's why if you are going to order in the website of GoPro, if you are here in Australia, for sure it's going to take a long time. It comes with, so this is the media mode, and it comes with this. Okay, I'm going to continue the soup that I was cooking yesterday. This is the one. Look at that, it's broken now, just now. And I'm going to portion it in here. I keep in the freezer, and then when I'm hungry, I'm going to defrost, put in the microwave. And this microwavable, you see it's number 5. You know, here in Australia, most of the takeaway are like this. Yeah, the big one of this, and of course there is a small like this. Yeah, also here in Australia, in the restaurant, in the kitchen, yeah, we are using this kind of takeaway container for all our mise en place. Yeah, In Dubai, we have this stainless container where we put all the mise en place, all the sauces, all the garnishes. That is where we put. Here in Australia, even in Sydney, in the restaurant where I've been, yeah, we are using plastic like this. Yeah, one of my colleagues is yeah, Kurt is very, what's that, concerned about a takeaway container. He's trying to save something like this because, you know, it's plastic. Yeah, it's not good for the environment. Yeah, I like this kind of soup. It's a potato and leek soup because we are doing this in Dubai. Yeah, and it's good. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. It was me, the executive chef, and Divina. Oh, if you remember yesterday, I received the GoPro Media Mod for this GoPro Hero 9. So at the moment, I am having this microphone, the Rode Wireless Go. Yeah, I connected it to the GoPro Media Mod. I'm just not sure if it is properly connected because this is the first time that I am using it with this Media Mode. Oh, Inigo just called. He is asking me to go to his apartment because Kuya Ruel and Ate Au is there. Yeah, we just met 2 days ago. Inigo cook something to eat for lunch. Oh, there's some people there. Yeah, but I'm feeling tired because I was running since 6 o'clock until just now when I finished at 2 o'clock. Okay, we are here again. I don't know if the magpie is going to attack me. Let's see. We're running fast. Okay, not anymore. Didn't attack me anymore. Good. Oh, actually, I'm going home now. I'm not going anymore to the town center. I go back and straight home.